Good morning, everybody. This video is for show you how the way I put the liner. See, that's the liner. Okay, the liner is going the drain there. Really sealed. I put the glue there in the little holes. Like that, you prevent the water not going down. Now I have to attach it to the wood. I gotta do all the cut. I'm by myself. I can't do it by when I can record it when I put the staples. I make another one when it's done. Okay. The plumbing is finished. Like that. Okay, everybody, I see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.